Today I'm going to share a recipe that brings back so many of my childhood memories. Raw Mango Chunda. This is a sweet and sour and spicy mango pickle. We had a big mango tree in our garden and my mom used to make this zingy pickle every summer. Traditionally, this pickle takes days to make because it's sun-dried. But I live in a place where the sun is not as intense, but I was craving this taste. So I made an instant version of it, and guess what? It brought back the same nostalgic taste. That made me really happy. Do you want to taste it? Okay then. Set a pan on medium heat and add 1.5 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Dry roast these till they get nice and aromatic. The color is also going to change to a darker brown. It should take around 1 minute. Now turn off the heat. To this I'm adding 300 grams of raw mango that I grated. I used one big raw mango. To further intensify the taste of cumin, I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri Red chili powder that mostly gives a beautiful red color. To make it a little hot, I added chili flakes from 1 dried red chili. Next, I added 1/2 teaspoon of black salt or kala namak, followed by 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we'll add in 1/2 cup or 100 grams of granulated sugar. Turn the heat back on to medium and mix everything really well. As you keep stirring, you'll notice that the sugar is going to start melting and the whole mixture is going to get a lot more pasty. There is no need to add any additional water in this recipe. The sugar will melt and add liquid to it, as well as the mango pieces are going to ooze out enough water. We are going to keep stirring this pickle until the sugar syrup reaches a one-string consistency. It's already starting to look quite thick. Let's give it a taste and adjust for salt if needed. It's been around 8 minutes and let's see if it's reached one-string consistency. Yes, it has. Alright then, turn off the heat and cool it down completely. You can store the chunda in a clean, dry glass jar with a tight lid, and it can store for months at room temperature. This tasty pickle goes so well with roti, paratha, chapati, thepla, dosa, idli, you name it. As kids, my sisters and I would sneak into the kitchen and stick our fingers right into the jar and lick this, and my mom would say, "Only use a dry spoon." Alright my friends, if you're on any of these social media sites, please follow me. And if you want written recipes, you can always visit my blog. All the links are in the description. Do you want more such exciting recipes? Then subscribe to my channel. It's free and I post recipes every week. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified as soon as I post my next recipe. Alright then, see you next week. Bye-bye.